Motherland. Yeah, hey, Granda is amazing. It's beautiful. I love it here, bro. Yes. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I love it here, bro. Yeah, thanks for having me. So clean here.
So if you're at home, you know, if you guys want to just hang out, play games and stuff like that, it's called KIGALI Universe. This is where everything happens. You know, entertainment, sports, everything.
Okay.
Kagarara. Wawe mugisha ku gihugu. Good, thank you. When are you planning to head back?
Soon. Hey. Tonight.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, last one.
To see you, brother.
Thank you.
This is a cool. I'm so proud of you.
Love, brother. Good to meet you, brother.
Thank you for supporting us.
Oh, you the guy?
The big.
This your boy.
The big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't stop talking about you.
Yeah, man.
And then as I heard some of your songs, you're amazing.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're amazing, bro. Physique is on point, too.
I mean, I'm trying to be like you.
You're not trying. You're not trying. You're there already.
I'm definitely. Are we gonna do a push-up challenge or something?
Oh, him.
With him?
He's I'm fragile. Look, I'm done for. I'm done for. You from here, born and raised?
Born in Uganda.
Okay.
Raised here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
God has given you a massive talent, bro.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 35.
35. Okay, cool. I'm 30.
Yeah. I really appreciate you. We appreciate the love that you've been showing to our brother here and to our country as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
100%. Well, what I can say is he's been grinding.
Yeah.
He caught my attention. It's the work that he put in.
Yeah.
And this country, Granda, the cleanest.
Yeah, you noticed it?
It's cleaner than America.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for
You know what I'm
that.
saying? So it's been a pleasure being here, bro. 100%.
I don't want to say, this is the Indian young brother.
The boy.
Good to see you, brother.
This is the boy, Indian Ashton Hall. Yeah, so.
Good to see you, brother.
His name is Ugandra, and he's a hard worker. He kills it.
So he flew all the way from India?
Yeah, we brought him here. This is his first time being out of the country. First country he came to was Africa.
Wow.
Second one will be America, unless we have another detour.
So he was actually in North India or South Africa?
He's in Gwalior.
He went to school in India.
Mid
Mid.
So do you speak Tamil or Hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, okay.
Hindi.
So I went to school in
India,
in
South
India.
South.
You know Hindi?
Tamil, yeah. I
You know Hindi?
I know Tamil.
Mid Hindi.
I went to school in South India.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to figure it out.
Oh, wow.
Is that the part you went to school to?
No. He's the north. I went to the south.
No, mid MP.
So you're in the mid?
Mid.
Okay, good.
My man, listen, we've been watching you. The entire country is super proud of you.
Yeah.
And we can't thank you enough, brother. We cannot thank you enough.
Thank you.
We love you. We love you big time.
Brother.
For real.
Thanks for coming.
I've been following you for a while.
Yeah, thank you, bro. He's been talking about you the whole trip, so I was like, how can we get this brother out here?
Can you please at least offer
I said, who's your favorite artist? All he says is you.
a drink, please?
All he says. Singing all your songs the whole time, and he can sing.
Those videos they were all over the place. You know, you can sing.
He can sing.
Yeah, he can sing big time.
Yeah, he's a very humble dude. You know what I'm saying? God has his hands on him, and it's a blessing.
And I also love the. It seems like what you do. There's a bigger purpose on top of what you're just showing. They're showing that you want to lead people to the cross,
To the kingdom.
100%. It's amazing, and that's what I believe in as well.
100%.
So I think that added up to something about you, because we already loved you. We already loved your content you share, but the purpose you have behind it, it's bigger than what we could see.
Yeah,
So,
thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Everything is temporary.
Yeah.
We all have deep, dark days.
Absolutely.
Dark days, but when I can think, okay, even if I have nothing, I still got Jesus.
Exactly.
That means I have everything. You know, so that's the only peace, it's the only hope I have. And I feel like that's what everybody should hear. That's what everybody should be holding on their shoulders. Cause this life is hard.
Yeah.
This life is tough, bro.
Yeah.
You know, not to be a preacher or anything like that.
Yeah.
But like, life is challenging, man.
Seeing a young man like you, you could be doing, you know, you could be sharing other messages, but for you to choose to share the message of kingdom is amazing.
The most important message.
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, we got to get up though.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm only here for a little bit.
Where are you living?
Tonight.
Really?
Tonight, bro.
I thought you were gonna go. Oh, but we're still going for dinner, right? You coming to my house? Right?
Yeah. I think we're about to go do something right now. We're about to leave this spot and then do something with you.
Okay.
Okay. It's word that I got. I was
you were
super excited about that.
Musanze, what's the name of the place?
We're trying to stretch it out. We're trying to go everywhere. We're supposed to go to gyms, restaurants. They want him everywhere.
Yeah? You go quick.
They want.
You know, I'm going to Muyoboke.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah?
Wherever he wants to go first.
No, because wait, it's far. If you're leaving tonight, you can't go to.
Oh, it's far?
It's about 2 hours away.
Oh, no.
That's where the cows are?
Next trip, but I can tell you this.
That's where the cars are.
The cows. I put that in my script. But I can tell you this, I'm for sure coming back to Granda though, 1,000%.
Okay.
We're actually gonna tour the whole East.
Okay.
Yeah, but
East Africa?
Special announcement. Yeah,
Really?
for sure.
Are you going to Uganda?
Yeah.
So that's my second home country.
Oh, really?
Because I was born there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be amazing.
Uganda or Granda?
Uganda. I was born in Uganda.
I'm saying. Uganda.
Oh,
Rwanda.
Rwanda, of course. Rwanda comes first.
Okay. I thought I was gonna trip him up. He didn't even think about it. He said Rwanda comes first. It's here. It's here.
Obviously, Uganda number 2 for sure.
Uganda number 2. It's love. It's love. It's love. It's love. All right, let's walk.
Yeah. Fresh kabisa. Abahungu bacu bari muri zino nce ariko nabo.
Ashton.
The boy.
Yeah.
Champion.
Are you loving Rwanda?
Yeah. Beautiful city, Rwanda. First time.
Hey, Small, have you seen him before in person? Small.
Yeah.
Have you seen him in person before?
Yeah, we met in person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we met him one time though.
How long ago?
It's been probably a week before he flew to see you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you met him a week ago?
Yeah, like a week ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah. He came. I had a big show in a countryside called MUNTARA.
And he pulled up?
And he pulled out.
For real?
Yeah, with the entire team.
Oh, really?
YACU.
I'll take some. Thank you.
Watch your feet, watch your feet.